Knew that you would lead, cause they all do. I was there when you needed me, but when I needed peace, I couldn't call you. You feel me?
Yeah.
That's real shit. You
Yeah.
feel me? Like when I need something from somebody, like, you know what I'm saying? But I'm always here for people.
Yeah.
I've always been a good dude to a lot of people. I've always overextended my hand.
Right.
I've always helped people that didn't help me. I've always did more for people. Majority of the people that came into my life left better than they came. So you can't really say nothing. And for me, I can't say the same.
I'm with you when you hurt. I'm with you when you don't understand. I'm with you when you ranting. I'm with you when you... But you leave me when I go through it. That's what I don't understand. That's where the anger come from. And now, I don't want to be your friend no more. You hurt me.
The one time that I needed you, the one time. Where were you at? Right. But if you need something, you expect me to drop everything and be there, no questions asked. Cause that's how this relationship works. You need some advice about something, I give it to you. You need some support during a crisis, you got it.
You know, I put so much love and attention into everybody else that I forgot to love myself. I've been there for everybody on a drop of a dime when they need their problems fixed and to make them smile. But somewhere along the way, I forgot to ask myself, what about me?